Hey, this is Paul McLellan with this week's video version of Sunday Brunch. And I started the week looking at what is a capability. ARM is doing some work with Cambridge University in the area, which actually builds on some work that was going on way back when I was an undergraduate at Cambridge. Then on Tuesday, I look at Cadence and standards, and in particular a new vocoder standard that Cadence was instrumental in working on. Then on Wednesday, we recently had a Photonic summit. I cover the opening keynote. On Thursday, Google's DeepMind has basically solved protein folding. There's a biannual competition, which they're so far ahead of everybody else. They're at the sort of 90% level, which is regarded as pretty much having solved the problem. And then on Friday, I look at using Innovus for doing 3D IC design, so sort of designing for 3D packages where multiple die are in the package. Breakfast bites, fresh every morning.